guys, welcome back to my channel. Arpana Mark here. Hope you guys are doing great. So today I'm back with a beautiful video. It's all about my linen sari collection. Yep, you heard it right. I am a big fan of linen sari and I have a pretty decent collection. So I thought I'll share it with you all. And yeah, I get all my saris from a friend here in Chennai. So I don't buy any of my saris outside. So 95%, 99 you can say, 99% of my saris are from her. So I'll give you her phone number in the description box. If you want anything, you can contact her. So another thing I want to talk about the linen saris is about the count. Like we think, oh, why do we have to pay 4,000 or 3,000 or 5,000 for a linen sari when I can get a linen sari for 900? That is where you are making a mistake, because linen saris quality is depends upon the count of the thread count they say. So the higher the thread count, the better the quality of the sari. So this sari, I think I got it for almost 4,000 rupees. So this is a beautiful ink blue sari with silver zari and silver checks all over the body. So this is how it is, and it is so soft and so gentle on the skin. So this is, the higher the count, the quality is very good. The lower the count, the quality is bad. So that is, you have to check with the count when you're buying. So when you are getting a 900 rupees or a 1,000 rupees sari, obviously the count is going to be less and the quality is bad. Because I will show you another example. I have a sari that I got for, I think, 900 rupees. So this is the sari. It's a beautiful sari, the color and all, I like it. The pallu is beige in color, and this is the body. It's a grey body with a black border. It's a beautiful sari. I love the sari, but trust me when I say the material. Can you hear the sound? Can you hear the sound here? No. See? That's how rough it is, and you can see how thick it is. See, look at this. I can crush it in my hand. This and this crushes up so badly. This doesn't. Can you see? So this is a good quality linen sari, and this is, I will not say it's a horrible one. You can wear it, but I feel it's little uncomfortable during the summers because of the material. I feel very synthetic about it, and it's a little harsh on the skin. Not very, you can, but it's a beautiful sari. I got it here in Chennai in Saukarpet, I think. So this is one sari. So when you keep these points in your mind when you are getting a sari, don't go with the rates, because the lower the count, the thread count of the sari, the lesser the price. The higher the count, the quality is too good, and the price also goes up. So when you are paying 3,000 or 4,000 for a linen sari, that means you are investing in a very good quality sari. But there also you have to keep in mind, few people might sell the lower thread count saris in a higher price. So when you are checking, check if the material is really soft. It's like buttery soft. It's very comfortable to wear, and see the flow. It's so, so airy and so soft. You can feel it. Hope you can see when I'm, see, look at that. But when I wear this, trust me, it's so stiff. Hope you can see, and the fall is not there. See. So keep these points in your mind when you are going for a linen sari. So the higher the thread count, the better the quality, and the price also is going to be higher. The lower the thread count, the quality is bad, and the price also is less. So don't think, oh, I am paying only 900 rupees. She says she got the sari for 3,000. The quality is different. Okay. So now let's get into the video. I'm going to show you my sari collection. Alright, so first is this beautiful black and green linen sari. So this is how it looks. This is a black pure linen. I think I got it around for 4,000, 3,500 or 4,000. It's like almost 3 years old. So this is a black with a green border sari, and it has some buttas, beige color buttas in between. So this is how it is. So this is the sari. So, and this is the pallu, how it comes. And this comes with a blouse also, but this material, when I get my blouses stitched within one where this part of the stitches and under the arms and this side stitches comes out, so I don't stitch any linen blouses. So this is one sari, has a beautiful green in it with some beige color, some buttas here. So this is one sari. I will show you a small clip with me wearing this sari also, so you can check out how and see how the sari looks. So this is one sari. Yeah. Alright, next is this beautiful sari. This is a multicolored linen sari. This is how it is. It's got some triangular shaped design on it, and it has a lot of colors: blue, green, orange, and it comes with a multicolored blouse too. And the border is this powder blue. This is how it looks. It's a beautiful sari. I'm not worn it yet. It's a new sari. This is how the whole sari is the same with the full print. Here it is a little light, the print, and near the pallu part it is a little darker. Nice, beautiful colors. It's a nice multicolored sari with a small border. It's powder blue with silver zari. This is how the sari is. Alright, this is my second sari. Then we have another one. This is not orange. Actually, this is a very beautiful sari and my favorite too. Yes, it's a black sari again with orange and this bright pink border, and it has these buttas also, orange and pink buttas all over the body. This is how the sari is, and this is the pallu. This is how it is. Isn't it gorgeous? I love this sari. Yes, this also comes with a black blouse, but I didn't get it stitched, so I pair it up with my blouses, whatever I have. So this is another sari, beautiful, and the material is so soft. I love it. This is my third sari. Then comes another beautiful sari. Look how gorgeous it is. I think this was my first linen sari. Yes, I remember. So this is how it is. It's an ink blue sari. Beautiful ink blue with full silver checks all over the body, and this is the pallu. So this is how it is. This also came with a blouse, but I didn't get it stitched, and I wear my mix and match the blouses. So the whole body is like that with a beautiful silver border. beautiful sari and very soft. The sari is very, very soft. So that's another one. Okay, this is my next sari. It's beautiful blue, baby blue or sky blue, whatever you call it. It's a gorgeous plain sari with a silver border, and this is the pallu. The pallu has stripes. Hope you can see it. It has stripes. And this is how it looks. How beautiful is it? I love this sari. It's a plain sari. The body is plain all over with a silver border, and this is the pallu. This also came with a blouse, but I didn't get it stitched. I mix and match my blouses. So this is also a good quality sari. So I think this I got it for some 2,900 or 3,000. Next we have another pretty sari. This is an onion pink color with some black checks and stripes going all around the body, and this is the border with silver zari and a small maroon line running across it. So this is how it is all over the body. There's a border on top and the bottom of the sari, and this is the pallu. It's grey in color with some beige and silver zari work happening, and has these beautiful tassels. So this is how the sari is. Isn't it beautiful? It's a beautiful onion pink color. I love the sari. This also I got for some 4,000 because the quality is too good. This also came with a blouse, but I didn't get it stitched. So that's another sari. Then comes my favorite sari. We saw one blue in this, so that is a little different, and this is a little different. This is the pallu. It's full silver with this black and white tassels, and it has a silver border, and the body is like this, black with silver checks. So love this sari. That's how it is. Yeah. Isn't it gorgeous? It's a beautiful sari. You can dress it up or dress it down. However, you wear a nice simple blouse, maybe a blouse like this, a tank top or a blouse with this sari, and pair it up with nice silver jewelry or just huge jhumkas. This is going to look gorgeous. Isn't it beautiful? I love this sari. So this also I got it from my friend around 3,000 or something. So this is the next sari. Then we have the sari, what I call the Vidya Balan sari. I saw Vidya Balan also wearing this kind of sari. So this is the pallu. The whole sari is of same design. The pallu is not different. So the upper part is white and grey, and the lower is green with grey. So this is how it is. This comes with this border, beautiful green. So this is how the sari is. That's how it is. I will insert few clips with me wearing all these saris, so you can see how the whole sari looks. This is another beautiful sari. The whole sari is the same, nothing different. So yeah, till this pallu, till this part, it is checks. Okay, So checks and stripes comes here. Then the lower part, when it goes down, it's like this. It's plain white on top and grey and green beneath. So I will insert a clip so that you will get an idea of how the sari looks. So this is another sari. This also is a good quality one. And we are at the last sari and the most pretty sari that I have. So this is another sari. This is a pure white linen sari with silver, silver and white pallu, has white tassels here. And the best part is it has these cute parrots all over the sari. That's how it is. So here till here it is the pallu part. This is how it comes. Then as you go down, this is how it is. Parrots are only on the lower part of his sari and the upper one is plain. So this is another beautiful sari. So this is another gorgeous sari, and we are at the end of our video. So these are all my linen sari collections. Hope you guys liked it. Then if you like, please do comment, share and subscribe. Start. Okay guys, so that was all about my linen sari collection. Hope you guys liked it, and if you like it, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that you will be notified about my future videos. So until then, stay safe, stay happy and stay beautiful and gorgeous. Bye.